Good morning everybody. Today in our maths class we will discuss about linear equation. Okay. Now look here. Here 12 plus 5 17 and 2 in case number 2, 8 plus 4 12 less than 16 and 7 plus 2 it becomes 9, 9 greater than 11. Okay. Out of these sentences clearly 1 is true and 2 is true while 3 is false. Such mathematical sentences which may be either true or false but not both are known as mathematical statements. Understood? Now, a mathematical sentence which contains a variable such that it may be true or false depending on the values of the variable is called open sentence. Now, an open sentence, what is equation? An open sentence containing the sign of equality is called an equation. Okay, look here, 3x plus 5 equals to 2. Okay, 3x plus 5 equals to 2. Then we can say this one is an equation. Here we have learned earlier that three cases. In three cases, 12 plus 5 equals to 17, 8 plus 4 less than 16 and 7 plus 2 greater than 11, which was not true, it was false. But here look at 12 plus 5 17. Okay, since it has equal sign, then we can say this one as equation, but it should have one or two variable, but there is no variable. Okay, then an open sentence containing the sign of equality is called an equation. In other words, a statement of equality involving one or more variable is called an equation. Okay, understood? Here in first case it was without any variable. Okay, then we can't say this one an equation, but here what is the equation? We should know that. In other words, a statement of equality involving one or more variable is called an equation. We should have one or more variable. Look here, 3x plus 5 equals to 20. Look here, x is one variable and there is equal sign, that's why we can say this one is representing an equation. Okay, what is linear equation? An equation involving one variable with highest power 1 is called a linear equation. Okay, look here, power of x here, power of x is 1, that's why it is a linear equation. Power of y is a variable here, power of y is 1. Okay, here also power of y is 1, that's why it should be linear equation. Similarly z, okay, power of z is 1, we will call this one as linear equation. Okay, now rules of solving a linear equation. Rule 1, we can add the same number to the both sides of an equation. Look, x minus 3 it was 7, x minus 3 equals to 7, then we are adding plus 3 on both sides. Look, x minus 3 plus 3, left hand side we have added 3 equal to 7 plus 3, we have added right hand side 3, both the side we have added. We can add same number on the both side of the equal sign. Okay, we can subtract the same number, from both sides of an equation. Okay, did you get it? We can subtract the same number from both sides of an equation. Look here, m plus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 3. We have subtracted here minus 1 by 4. We have subtracted here 1 by 4. Then look, left hand side we have subtracted 1 by 4. Right hand side also we have subtracted 1 by 4. Okay. Rule 3 what is saying? We can multiply both the sides of an equation by the same non-zero number. Look here, it was z by 4 equals to 3, z by 4 equals to 3. Then we are multiplying both the side by 4, z by 4 into 4 equal to 3 into 4. Left hand side we are multiplying by 4 and right hand side also we are multiplying by 4. Okay. Now rule number 4, what are they saying there? We can divide both the sides. Of an equation by the same non-zero number. Look here. Here 0.5 meter equals to 0.65. Okay, Then we have divided this one by 0.5. Left hand side we have divided 0.5. Right hand side also we have divided by 0.5. Then we got m equals to 1.3. And this one very important, transposition. Under this process we can drop a term. Under this process we can drop a term from one side of an equation and put it on the other side with sign change. Look here. 3x, here it was 3x minus 1 equals to 5. Okay, 3x minus 1 equals to 5. Now what have we done? We have this minus 1 have gone to right hand side with changing the sign. It was minus 1 here, and when it is gone to right hand side, it has become plus 1. Okay, look here, 5y plus 2 equals to 7. Now we are transporting plus 2 into right hand side, then it will become minus 2. Look at 9x minus 4 equals to 5x plus 2. What have we done? Now this 5x was right hand side of the equal sign, it has come into left hand side, that's why its sign has been changed. Here it was plus, look here it was plus 5x, but when it has come to left hand side, from right hand side, then it has become minus sign. And look here, it was minus 4, it is been transporting to right hand side, that's why it has become plus 4. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now methods for solving linear equation in one variable. Okay, step 1, simplify both sides by removing group symbols and collecting like terms. Step 2, remove fraction or decimal by multiplying both sides by a suitable factor. Step 3, isolate all the variable terms on one side and all the constant on the other side. Collect the like terms. Step 4, make the coefficient of the variable 1. Make the coefficient of the variable 1. Understood? I hope you have understood this one. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.